Hello everybody, today we're gonna make healthy and easy food. Let's start. First step, we add 3 cups of hot water with 1 cup of lentil. We mix it and we leave it in the medium heat for 20 minutes. In this step, in the pan we add some oil with 1 small piece of onion. We mix it for 20 seconds and we add half cup of bulgur. We mix it well. And we add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. We mix it well for 2 minutes and we go to another step. Now we take the bulgur, we add to the lentil after we cook the lentil for 20 minutes and we mix it together. And now we add the spices, 1 tablespoon cumin, salt, garlic, paprika and black pepper. We mix it well and we leave it in the low heat for 10 minutes. Now we need the fried onion. First we cut 1 piece of onion. We add some flour to the onion before we fry to get more crispy. We fry till we get gold brown color. We take it out. Now our food is done. It's ready for served. Hope everybody like it. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.